Are you tired of blindly testing e-commerce products and wasting money on ads that don't convert? What if you could see exactly what items are going viral right now, the exact video creatives driving those sales, and the creators behind them? Today, we are diving deep into Social1. Social1 is an incredibly powerful ad spy and product discovery platform built specifically for e-commerce brand owners, dropshippers, and social commerce affiliates. It is made for anyone who wants to stop guessing and start leveraging real-time data to find winning products before they saturate the market. Why choose Social1 over any other product research tool? It comes down to speed and accuracy. Instead of relying on delayed analytics, Social1 scrapes trending products, viral items, and engagement metrics in real time. It connects the actual viral video creative directly to the product data, allowing you to reverse engineer successful campaigns instantly. If you are interested, please see the link in the description below to get access to this tool. I'll be walking you through the entire interface step by step so you know exactly how to scale your product research. Before we get started, if you haven't signed for Social1 yet, then make sure to use the link which is given down below in the video description. Let's get started. We are starting right here on the Quote Videos tab, which is essentially your main command center for discovering viral creatives. Listen, the number one reason most e-commerce brands and dropshippers burn through their budgets is because they operate on pure guesswork. They think a product might work. Social1 eliminates that completely by giving you the hard data. Look at the top filter bar. You have absolute granular control over the data feed. We currently have viral content from set to today and performance set to trending. But it doesn't stop there. You can filter by specific categories. Say you only want to see winning products in the pet niche or the beauty space. You can even search directly for a specific item. This is where you narrow down your niche and find exactly what is resonating with buyers right this second, rather than relying on delayed analytics. Now, let's look at the main dashboard. You'll see a grid of video cards. These are not just random videos. These are the current heavy hitters driving actual revenue. For instance, you can see these videos are clearly ranked in sequential order, instantly showing you the absolute top-tier viral content on the platform right now. Look at the raw metrics provided right on the surface. We are talking about multi-million view counts, like over 4.4 million or nearly 3 million views, all accumulated in just a matter of days. Notice the flame icons on those top spots. That tells you the momentum is peaking right now. But here is the absolute most important feature on this entire screen. Notice the yellow dollar ad badge tucked in the corner of some of these videos? That is your ultimate cheat code. That badge tells you immediately that someone is putting paid ad spend behind this specific creative. Think about it. If a seller is spending money out of their own pocket to push a video day after day, it means that product is profitable. They wouldn't keep running the ad if they were losing money. Instead of spending thousands of dollars testing 10 different video styles, you can just log in here, see the exact hook, the exact text overlay, and the exact product that is already converting. You are reverse engineering success. This is exactly why you should prefer Social1 over scrolling endlessly through your own feed, trying to spot trends manually. It hands you the creative, the data, and the proof of profitability all in one single view. Make sure to click the affiliate link in the description to follow along with this exact dashboard and set up your own filters right now. Finding a viral video is only half the battle. It is great to see a piece of content blowing up, but if you don't know exactly what product is driving that revenue and the specific creator behind the push, you are still operating in the dark. You need the full picture, what they are selling, who is selling it, and how fast it is moving. Look closely at the bottom section of any of these video cards. Notice how Social1 directly links the exact product being promoted right there on the dashboard. You can see winning items across every single niche imaginable. Right next to the product name, there is a Save Product button. I cannot stress this enough. You should be using this button aggressively. Treat this feature like your digital war room. By saving these products, you are building a highly curated, data-backed watch list of potential items to source and sell. Instead of testing random products and hoping for the best, you are building a centralized catalog of proven winners that you can refer back to the second you are ready to launch your next campaign. Now, look just below the product link. You will see the creator's handle and the exact time frame of when that video was posted. This data point is crucial for timing your entry into the market. A video that generates 1 million views over the course of a year is old news. But a video that generated hundreds of thousands or even millions of views in just 2 to 4 days? That is a massive flashing early indicator of a hypertrend. That tells you the algorithm is pushing it right now, and consumer demand is peaking. It is all about catching the wave before the market gets saturated. If you want to dive even deeper, and you absolutely should, you simply navigate over to the Products or Creators tabs on the left-hand menu. Let me tell you, the Creators tab is an absolute goldmine for your influencer marketing strategy. Think about the old way of doing things. You would blindly DM hundreds of random influencers, send out thousands of dollars in free product samples, and just pray that one of them makes a decent video that actually converts. Not anymore. With Social1, you use the Creators tab to identify the exact affiliates who are already proven to drive high volume and high conversions in your specific niche. You can see their track record before you ever spend a dime. You can reach out to them directly, knowing they know how to create profitable content. It completely de-risks your entire influencer outreach strategy. And remember, if you want to start building your own watch list of winning products and scouting top-tier creators today, make sure to use the link given down below in the video description to get set up with Social1. Now, how do you take all of this incredible data and actually use it to scale your business? Having the data is great, but execution is everything. Let's talk about design and your overall creative strategy. When you find a winning ad on Social1, I want to be very clear. Don't just rip the video and copy it frame for frame. That is a short-term game. Instead, you need to analyze why it works. The massive advantage of using Social1 over any other tool is that you can study the raw video creative right alongside the actual performance metrics. You are looking for patterns in the highest converting content. Design tip: look closely at the first 3 seconds of these top-performing videos. In short-form content, if you don't catch the viewer in those initial 3 seconds, they are gone. You need a strong, undeniable visual hook. That means a bold, high-contrast text overlay needs to be immediately on the screen the second the video starts. You have to tell the viewer exactly what the value proposition is before their thumb even has a chance to scroll. Furthermore, you must use native platform fonts. If your video looks like a traditional, highly polished television commercial, people will swipe past it instantly. Nobody opens social media to watch ads. Using native text overlays and automated voices makes your ad look like organic, user-generated content, which builds immediate trust and keeps the
If you
viewer
hate cleaning
engaged.
bathrooms, just use a pressure washer.
Next,
I
let's
don't know why
talk
it took
about
so long for someone
pacing.
to think of using
Keep
one
your
for your
edits
bathroom until I saw
incredibly
this woman who
fast.
does professional
You should
cleaning
be
using
jumping
it,
to a
showing she
new
finished her
angle,
job in half the
applying
time
a
and
zoom in
doesn't even
effect,
scrub anymore.
or
All you need
switching
is a
to a
bucket of
new
water.
B-roll
Just
shot
drop the
every
hose in
2 to
and
3
switch between 6
seconds.
spray modes to clean
This
every corner.
constant
Watch
visual
how it blasts
reset
deep
is
into
an
the grout lines.
absolute requirement to retain viewer attention in today's algorithmic landscape. Also, make sure your lighting is aggressively bright and clear. The product must be the undisputed hero of every single shot. The viewer should never be confused about what is being sold or what it does. Here is a masterclass strategy you can implement right now. Take the top 3 performing videos you find on this Social 1 dashboard for your specific product. Take the visual hook from video number 1, the product demonstration style from video number 2, and the call to action from video number 3. Script out a mashup of these proven elements and film your own optimized version. You are essentially taking the best, most profitable parts of videos that you know are already converting and combining them into an unbeatable super ad. That is exactly how you leverage real-time data to find winning products and viral creatives completely without the guesswork. Think about how much time you used to spend scrolling endlessly, trying to piece together what was actually trending versus what was just a fleeting fad. This complete workflow that we just walked through is going to save you countless hours of manual research every single week. More importantly, it is going to significantly reduce your ad spend risks because you are no longer blindly testing unproven concepts. You are launching campaigns backed by real, hard data. Whether you are a seasoned e-commerce brand owner looking to scale, or you are just starting out with your very first social commerce store, having this level of competitive intelligence right at your fingertips is an absolute game changer. It is the ultimate shortcut to profitability in a highly competitive market. If you are interested, please see the link in the description below to get access to this tool. Clicking that link is the fastest way to get your dashboard set up so you can start applying these exact strategies today. I would absolutely love to hear from you. What specific product categories are you planning to research first using this dashboard? Are you diving into the pet niche, home organization, or beauty and wellness? Drop a comment down below right now and let me know your exact strategy. And once again, to get immediate access, build your product watch lists, and start scraping viral trends right away, make sure to sign up for Social 1 using the link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and start finding those winning products.